Then we go to systems. How do you define a system? This part mostly can be considered even from biology, those who are taking biology and the other courses or subjects, okay? Because in science we said a system is simply a set of parts put together, a set of parts working together, okay? A very good example of a system is the heart for the human being. The heart has got parts, but all those parts are working together in terms of pumping blood to all parts of the body. Okay? So similarly, here on the computer, a system is a combination of several parts or components that work together in a coordinated manner to perform specific functions or tasks. These parts also are known as subsystems, which can either be organic or artificial. Okay? A subsystem can be composed of other subsystems, and it is a component of a larger system by itself.